is the time I realized that this is success for me. Like the relationships that I have in my life, the friendships that I have in my life is true success. Shakuntala Devi with Vidya.
Yeah.
And I saw her giving interviews, and that was a major learning experience for me because she's fab. Jawan is a much more commercial zone, you know, और उसकी acting भी अलग थी, तो पता नहीं, I had never thought कि मुझे I should sit and compare these two. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं, not this, I want something bigger and better and the best. So I was waiting for the bigger, better, best.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood podcast. I'm with someone who's a perfect example that you can achieve your dreams अगर आपका दिल सही जगह पर हो और आप मेहनत सही तरीके से करोगे, then definitely she is the one who has literally proved so much to all of us and has been so inspiring. Joining me in a conversation is none other than Sania Malhotra.
Hi, Aina.
Hello, so nice to have you.
Thank you so much.
पहले सवाल तो मुझे आपसे ये पूछना है that you know your journey has been so nice. जब हम देखते हैं कि आप दिल्ली से बॉम्बे आए हो ये सपना लेकर, and just to see that film by film, one by one, and now song by song, आपके सपने पूरे हो रहे हैं, and it's really beautiful to see that. First of all, मैंने मिसेस का ट्रेलर देखा and it's so beautiful because I could remember every you know mother or a housewife you know in the middle class category who actually sort of go through this. I want to understand, आपने अपने life में, you know, have you seen this a lot to sort of relate to this character?
Yeah, definitely I have. As you said, we have seen women like Richa around us, and I too have seen my mother go through this. I have seen my friends and my family members. It's not just about one woman, it's about women around us. So that's how I think I could also relate to it. और मुझे भी लगा कि ये story इतनी relatable है और इतनी important और इतनी urgent है that I want to be a part of this film and, you know, tell this story.
Right. No, but आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगता है that women of that generation were wired that way कि यही life है, यही conditioning है, आपको ऐसे ही जीना पड़ेगा. But हमारी जो generation है वो शायद will not be ready to go through this. इसके वजह से शायद आज रिश्ते कम चलते हैं और you know we are seeing more divorce rates because we have conditioned women to be like that, and now women are realizing कि you know this is not what life is supposed to be. Do you think that's a reason why men can't take it or something?
I don't know about the generation bit because even women from our generation have I think it's a deep rooted and patriarchy. तो जो मतलब वो if they're not realizing that this is not the kind of life that they should be leading or whatever, वो realization नहीं है तो वो किस मतलब वो I think it's beyond generation. ऐसा नहीं है पहले कि of course like because for example my mother was completely dependent on my father financially. So of course, and I think she kept all her dreams and passion aside to bring my sister and I up. तो वो बड़ा naturally आता था क्योंकि यही सिखाया जाता था बचपन से कि शादी के बाद घर ही संभालना है. But of course with time and with like a lot of things are changing and shifting in our culture. But कई लोग are still there. They don't want to move. Like there are people who do not want to change, and which is also okay. Like it's not like some people are okay doing it. It's also a choice. But the thing is कि आप force नहीं होना चाहिए आपको कोई आपको force नहीं करना चाहिए. By in our film, Richa is not okay with it. she feels suffocated is because she is being forced to do this. There are so many women who are also balancing house duties and घर बाहर का काम, like they and do it very well. But I think if you are being forced into doing something na, then it's definitely wrong, and I hope that you realize that that is not letting you, you know, grow or move ahead in life.
पर जैसे आपने कहा कि आपकी मॉम, आपने देखा अपनी मॉम को लिव अ लाइफ लाइक दैट, कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि मॉम अब उनके सपने आपके लाइफ थ्रू जी रही है.
माँ हमेशा से फैशन डिज़ाइनर बनना चाहती थी. और आई थिंक आफ्टर हर मैरिज कहीं ना कहीं हमारे थ्रू शी स्टार्टेड लाइक घर हमारे लिए कपड़े बनाना, हमारे लिए कुछ डिज़ाइन करना, खुद के लिए कपड़े डिज़ाइन करना. मेरे तो घर पे कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट, आज तक कुछ भी हो, मेरी बहन की शादी पे भी मैंने मम्मा की बनाई हुई साड़ी पहनी. वो मतलब एक उनका पैशन जो है, ऑफ कोर्स शी इज़ कहीं ना कहीं अब वो फुलफ़िल कर रही है हमारे थ्रू. बट मुझे ये भी लगता है कि it should also go beyond that, because I can see that my mother now feels कि अब वो घर के कामों से थक जाती हैं. और I'm quite proud of her that she at least ये चीज़ उनको समझ आई है. और अब तो वो बोल भी देती है कि मुझसे हो नहीं पाता, क्योंकि मुझे एक तो मुझे ऐसे मुझे ये ज़्यादा खुशी नहीं देता मुझे. पर मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी टाइम तक उनको ये रियलाइजेशन भी नहीं था. बट आई कुड सी दैट माई मदर यूज्ड टू गेट टायर्ड, एंड आफ्टर डूइंग दिस फिल्म एंड आफ्टर बीइंग मच मोर अवेयर कि हम कहीं ना कहीं अपनी मम्मा को ना एक पेडेस्टल पे चढ़ाते हैं, चाहे वो माँ के हाथ का खाना हो या माँ जैसे हमारी केयर करती हैं वैसा कोई भी नहीं करता. वो कहीं ना कहीं वी आर ऑल्सो dehumanizing our mothers by doing that, because we need to see them as a whole human being, somebody who has passions and dreams apart from keeping us alive and making sure that we are well fed. तो वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. and I think I keep pushing my mother to also focus on things that makes her happy instead of only looking at कि हम खुश हैं या हम खा रहे हैं या नहीं, या हमारा कुछ हो रहा है या नहीं. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. I want my mother to also fulfill whatever desires and dreams that she has.
बट जब आप जस्ट एक माँ के लिए देखना कि बेटी कितना आगे बढ़ चुकी है, बिकॉज आपके पापा ने ये सपोर्ट किया था डिसीजन मुंबई आने का, बट मम्मी थोड़ी हेजिटेंट थी. अब मम्मी का क्या कहना है व्हेन शी सीज अ जर्नी, दिल्ली में घर खरीद लिया, एंड आई थिंक जस्ट थिंग्स बियॉन्ड दैट, शाहरुख सर के साथ काम कर लिया, पहली पिक्चर आमिर सर के साथ मिल गई. इट्स जस्ट सो टू गुड टू बी ट्रू. अब मम्मी क्या कहती है?
मम्मी बहुत खुश हैं. और मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत कूल हैं, लाइक दे आर रेडी टू चेंज विद टाइम. ऐसा लगता है ना कि मैं अक्सर ही सुनती हूँ कि यार मेरे मम्मी पापा ना आर जस्ट नॉट रेडी टू चेंज. दैट्स नॉट हाउ माई पेरेंट्स आर. लाइक दे आर रेडी टू चेंज एंड अडेप्ट टू द थिंग्स दैट आर चेंजिंग अराउंड देम. So I have seen that my mother is super proud of me. And she is super cool about so many things. Like मतलब I can talk to my parents about anything in the world. वो मुझे लगता है कि that is so important, and I really cherish my friendship with both of them, क्योंकि it makes me feel like I'm much more relaxed and grounded. मैं उनके and they're very honest also. मम्मा is very honest. If you see थी, उनको थोड़ा था कि भाई तुम पोस्ट ग्रेड कर लो, बट वो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं. बिल्कुल, ऑफ कोर्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. नाउ आई फील लाइक ऑफ कोर्स आई वांट टू लाइक मे बी गो बैक टू स्कूल एंड स्टडी अभी. हाँ, क्योंकि क्यों नहीं, मतलब वो बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट अगर आपको चाहत है अंदर कुछ सीखने की नया, वो कभी शुड नेवर किल दैट dream or desire, because I feel learning should never stop. Like I think I'll keep learning something or the other. चाहे मैं कितनी भी साल की हो जाऊँ. तो मम्मा अभी भी मुझे पुश करती हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, बट आई नो दैट इज़ फॉर माई गुड ओनली. एंड नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. पहले मुझे कॉलेज के टाइम पे ऐसा लगता था कि यार ये मुझे नहीं जाने दे रहे या कुछ है, मम्मा क्यों मुझे ऐसे पुश कर रही हैं. और मैं उनसे भी लड़ती थी कि आप मुझे टाइम दो, मैं आई प्रूव माई सेल्फ. बट यू नो वॉट, आई थिंक शी इज़ ऑल्सो राइट समवेयर दैट लर्निंग शुड नेवर स्टॉप. लाइक यू शुड नेवर बी कम्फर्टेबल एंड बी लाइक कि हाँ मैंने सीख लिया है और ये मुझे आता है. Because now I am financially independent, and also I can, you know, maybe like support my education. So क्यों नहीं?
नहीं, but I think what your mom is saying is completely right. But also आप एक ऐसे profession में हो जहाँ पे I think learning यहाँ काफ़ी constant है, हर किरदार के साथ, हर movie के साथ. I want to understand कि जब आप मुंबई आए थे, I know आपकी story जहाँ you were staying in a house with 6 other flatmates, if I'm not wrong.
जिया, हर्षी, प्रतिष्ठा, नुद्रिशा.
कितने?
Yeah, 5. We were 6.
5 total together. 6 लोग. To now basically, you know, achieving your dreams.
At one point there were 11 people.
11 people?
Yeah, क्योंकि किसी के friends आ गए
तो वहाँ पे रुक जाते थे.
हमारे घर आके रुकते थे सब.
Were you unhappy at any point कि यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ यहाँ आके?
Not unhappy. मुझे लगता है तब ना बहुत ही केयर फ्री नेचर था, क्योंकि
तब ज़्यादा केयर फ्री था.
हाँ, क्योंकि कुछ था ही नहीं ना. वी हैड नथिंग टू लूज, नथिंग टू गेन, क्योंकि कुछ भी नहीं था.
कुछ भी नहीं था, बट भूख के यार क्या कर रहे हैं हम इधर, कि यार कुछ होगा नहीं होगा, कितने साल तक ये चलेगा.
हाँ, वो कभी कभार ऑफ कोर्स वो आता था ऐसे महीनों में 1-2 बारी, जब मुझे लगता था कि व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, लाइक शुड आई गो बैक टू दिल्ली. वो थॉट ज़रूर आता था. पर आई थिंक वो मैंने एक चीज़ सीख ली थी कि जब भी मुझे वो थॉट आता था, आई यूज्ड टू कॉल माई फादर अप, क्योंकि आई थिंक पापा रियली हेल्प मी गो थ्रू दैट टाइम एज वेल. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं पापा ने अपना करियर भी स्क्रैच से शुरू करा था, तो आई थिंक ही न्यू कि ये एक दिन बैठे बैठे कुछ बदल नहीं जाता. धीरे धीरे चीज़ें होती हैं, और वो रिमाइंडर मुझे कॉन्स्टेंटली चाहिए होता था.
राइट.
बट ऐसा होता है ना, जब सपने बहुत बड़े होते हैं, फिर आपको लगता है कि आप आ तो गए हो अब मुंबई, तो कोई बात नहीं, एक महीना और, फिर 1 महीना और, फिर 1 महीना और. आप लगे रहते हो. तो वही मेरे साथ हो रहा था कि डेफिनेटली देयर वर डेज व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बी अलोन एट होम, क्योंकि सारे रूममेट्स चले जाते थे काम पे. तो मुझे लगता था कि यार मतलब व्हाट एम आई डूइंग.
पर दे वर गुड, लाइक द रूममेट्स.
ऑफ कोर्स दे आर लाइक फैमिली टू मी.
अभी तक
वी आर वेरी क्लोज.
बट ऐसा है कि आप आगे निकल गए हो तो कुछ लोगों को वो पसंद नहीं आया हो, क्योंकि होते हैं, यू मीट सच पीपल इन लाइफ एट सम पॉइंट.
नो, आई थिंक आई फाउंड रियली गुड कनेक्शंस. आई फाउंड सम soul connections, and I call them my sisters, so they are very close to me, like
till date.
And I feel very lucky, क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं हम चाहे काम की वजह से रोज़ ना मिले, but my sister got married last year, and all my friends, Delhi friends, Mumbai gang, they were all under one roof. And that is the time I realized that this is success for me. Like the relationships that I have in my life, the friendships that I have in my life is true success. Like I have never felt that happy. मतलब मुझे वो satisfaction जो उस दिन मिली थी ना अपने friends और अपनी family, now I call them my family because they are truly are my family. वो देख के मुझे लगा था कि भाई ये real happiness है. Like ये this is the sense of success came when I saw all of them under one roof. And I think I'm very lucky that way, that I have the best people around me.
Yeah, that's very few people I've heard who have actually found the right people, especially coming to a new city where you're trusting on others so much. But when Dangal happened, जब पहली पिक्चर मिली, ऐसा कई बार होता है कि कोई एक्टर्स को अपनी पहली पिक्चर बहुत बड़ी मिल जाती है, फिर वो बहुत बड़ी हिट हो जाती है, फिर वो गायब हो जाते हैं. वो डर था कभी दैट एक पिक्चर तो चल गई, अब क्या? बिकॉज आई हैव सीन द बेस्ट वेरी अर्ली.
नहीं,
नेवर.
नहीं, कभी नहीं था. और क्योंकि एज आई सेड अर्लियर, वो कभी कुछ खोने का डर ही नहीं था.
बट इवन आफ्टर दंगल,
yeah, I think I have always been ऐसा एक मैं अभी तक आई थिंक द वन थिंग दैट आई कीप रिमाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ इज दैट नथिंग इज कॉन्स्टेंट. Success, failure, the emotions that I'm feeling right now is nothing is constant, it's ever changing. तो इससे अटैचमेंट रख के मुझे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होने वाला, चाहे दंगल की सक्सेस हो या कोई भी आने वाली फिल्म हो या मुझे कोई भी फीलिंग है वो मतलब इट्स एवर चेंजिंग. तो उससे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि अगर मुझे दंगल के बाद काम नहीं मिला. इनफैक्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जितना ईजिली मिल रहा था वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी शॉकिंग था कि मुझे सच में ऐसा लगा नहीं था कि अभी भी शायद मैं नहीं जाऊंगी ऑडिशन देने इधर उधर. ऐसा कैसे चेंज हो सकता है. द नेक्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम रितेश बत्रा फॉर फोटोग्राफ एंड ही वाज लाइक आई वांट यू टू रीड.
This was right after Dangal.
Right after Dangal. I think if I'm not wrong 23rd 24th को शायद मूवी रिलीज हुई थी और 25th को I got a call from him and I was like oh my life is really going to change now. क्योंकि अब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने को मिलेगी
नवाज सर के साथ. वो भी
मतलब ऐसा भी होगा. अच्छा ठीक है तो मुझे लाइन भी नहीं लगना पड़ेगा. मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई है.
नो बट
वैसा चेंज हो गया था.
नो 100%. बट कभी ऐसा एक पॉइंट आया था जहाँ पे लगा कि यार इतना सक्सेस आ गया अभी वो चढ़ जाता है थोड़ा दिमाग पर.
नहीं इतनी सक्सेस भी नहीं देखी कि जो चढ़ जाए. मुझे लगता है कि सक्सेस मैंने अब जो भी देखी है ना इट्स बीन वेरी कॉन्स्टेंट एंड वेरी
नाइस.
हाँ ऐसे एकदम भूख करके कुछ नहीं आता मेरे सामने. और आ भी गया ना तो आई हैव मेनी पीपल हु विल ब्रिंग मी डाउन.
बट एट एनी पॉइंट यू फेल दैट कि थोड़ा थोड़ा सानिया चेंज हो रही है अपने लिए.
चेंज तो मतलब होना ज़रूरी है. है ना मतलब अगर मैं अगर 10 साल पहले वाली सानिया होती तो मैं यहाँ कॉन्फिडेंटली बैठ के ये पॉडकास्ट भी नहीं कर रही होती. क्योंकि तब तो मुझे ऐसा भी लगता था कि ओह माय गॉड मैं कहाँ आ गई हूँ और ये मैं कर पाऊँगी या नहीं कर पाऊँगी. बहुत सारे ऐसा मतलब स्लोली आई लर्नड हाउ टू be more confident.
Yeah, you said in a recent interview I've become more confident in my 30s.
Yeah.
I'm really enjoying my 30s.
I love my 30s.
And very less people say that. लोगों को अपने 20s काफ़ी पसंद आते हैं.
ऐसा है क्या?
हाँ मतलब
20 तो I was still figuring out कि मैं कहाँ हूँ मैं कौन हूँ.
I think fair enough. But why do you say that? What changed and how were you before? कि आपको लगता है that you're way more comfortable in your skin?
Yeah, I am now. But work though I'm becoming, I've seen that I'm becoming I'm quite honest with myself and with the people around me. And that gives me a lot of confidence कि ये सच्चाई है, इससे आप भाग नहीं सकते हो और उसको एडमिट करने में भी कोई बुराई नहीं है. करो मतलब that is making me much more confident. And I think interviews, I remember when I had just started, it used to make me remind me of college and vivas. So I was also petrified of giving interviews because that used to really make me feel like oh my god what if I don't know the answer. It's okay if I don't know the answer Sanya, it's an interview. And to to deal with the fact ki why do people want to know about my life. Wow. तो that there were so many like emotions attached to कि ये तो मैंने बचपन में सोचा था कि मैं करूँगी. Like now I'm finally doing it. तो वो बहुत सारे mixed emotions and of course like it took me even a lot of time to learn how to be comfortable in interviews and be confident.
Right.
And that shift, I tell you when that happened. During the pandemic I was promoting Shakuntala Devi with Vidya.
Yeah.
And I saw her giving interviews and that was a major learning experience for me because she's fab. I don't think so. जो वो जिस तरीके से आर्टिकुलेट करती है ना अपने थॉट्स, अगर एक दिन मैं कर पाऊँ ना तो that be the biggest achievement in my life. But the way she was promoting Shakuntala Devi, that was a really big learning experience.
Wow.
That experience of being to just हम तो ऑनलाइन कर रहे थे तो मैं उनको देख रही थी वो करते हुए, पर मैंने बहुत सीखा वो उनसे उस समय. क्योंकि फिर मुझे लगा कि दिस इज़ हाउ यू नीड टू लाइक इट्स जस्ट अ कॉन्वर्जेशन लाइक. बट इंटरव्यूज डेफिनेटली देन आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड एन्जॉइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. क्योंकि आई ऑनेस्टली फील कि आप जब प्रमोट कर रहे होते हैं ना फिल्म तो that's the last leg of filmmaking, to be honest, for me. This is the time I am fully letting go of my character, and I'm actually like giving it to the audience कि ये अब आपकी है. हमने इस पे बहुत मेहनत कर ली, हमने 2 साल 3 साल जितनी भी मेहनत गई है इस फिल्म में हमने करी है, और सिर्फ मेरी नहीं, बहुत पूरे क्रू की मेहनत लगी है.
राइट.
So now it's yours, like you have to watch and see. So I love promoting now, and I can't believe that I'm saying that क्योंकि दंगल के कुछ साल तक तो मैं बहुत घबरा जाती थी ये सब करते हुए.
नो, आई बिलीव दिस, क्योंकि मेरा पहला इंटरव्यू आपके साथ कटहल के वक्त था, एंड आई रिमेंबर वेरी क्लियरली, क्योंकि मुझे लगा कुछ एक्टर्स को प्रमोशंस नहीं पसंद इन जनरल. सो आई रिमेंबर आप आए थे अपने को एक्टर्स के साथ, और आई वाज लाइक यू मस्ट बी टायर्ड, एंड यू वर लाइक नहीं, मुझे प्रमोशंस पसंद है, एंड दिस इज द ओनली टाइम व्हेन यू हेल्ड बोथ देयर हैंड्स कि मुझे इन दोनों के साथ वक्त मिल रहा है अच्छे से. And
I know
you told me that, and I was like, you know, as an interviewer at that point you feel good too कि यार thank God someone's also equally interested to talk to you as much as you're interested to talk to them.
And I'm always interested to talk to you, Anna.
But you know what I mean, like you know, because आपके लिए भी I understand काफ़ी hectic हो जाता है to do back to back promotions. Contrary to your opinion, people feel कि आप काफ़ी real हो. जैसे विद्या मैम भी, आई थिंक उनका सबसे बड़ा यूएसपी, आई थिंक जब मैंने उनका इंटरव्यू लिया, शी इज़ अनअपोलोजेटिकली हरसेल्फ. उनके जो दिल में आता है वो बोल देते हैं, एंड इट्स ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज इट्स सो रॉ एंड इट्स सो ऑर्गेनिक. एंड शी इज़ जस्ट लाफिंग एंड शी इज़ इंजॉइंग, शी जस्ट इंजॉयज एवरी प्रोसेस, दैट वो इंटरव्यू को ना मज़ेदार बना देती है. आई रिमेंबर आई हैड डन हर इंटरव्यू फॉर दो और दो प्यार recently, a few months back, and she has told us about her college dating life, her crush, her boyfriend's cheating on her, and in today's time जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं actors इतने filtered हैं, to just see Vidya ma'am being like, yeah, this was it, and just you know say, just makes the whole process so much more fun.
I agree.
What would you say that you know you learned from people like Vidya ma'am, and are you sort of very consciously real in your interviews, और वो अभी आया है?
I don't know if I as I said, for me interviews is like I'm having a conversation with a friend, like I've done this with you before. So it feels like that, like I make sure that I am making through this process, or I'm also making myself comfortable. It should not look like a viva at the end of the day.
Yeah.
मैं कॉलेज में नहीं हूँ और मैं अपनी साइकोलॉजी की प्रोफेसर के सामने बैठ के नहीं कर रही हूँ. I think that was my biggest fear. But now I feel like it's a conversation. It's about फिल्म से रिलेटेड बातें. It's about life. वो तो किसी को भी मज़ा आएगा वो करते हुए.
बिल्कुल. How is your bond with Fatima at this point, because you all started off together, to just sort of you know reminisce those days?
काफ़ी टाइम से मौका नहीं मिला मुझे to talk about all of that with her. I met her yesterday because her film is also releasing. So there, and I loved the trailer, and I always feel happy to see what she's doing. I feel very proud. But of course that is there.
Have you managed to stay in touch, constant touch? Always?
Of course.
With Amir sir?
Text? Yeah, of course. Like I invited, ऐसा मतलब not like constant, but of course he's also busy. But whenever something comes out, then I make sure to inform the entire Dangal team. We have a WhatsApp group.
Nitesh sir is doing such a big film now. कभी sir को बोला, अभी sir think of me also.
Of course.
That happens.
Yeah, I think because I started my career with them, they're like family to me. And I feel very good whenever I get a validation from Nitesh sir. I recently invited him for my film screening, so I hope he comes, because I'll be very like you know proud if he watches it. Because a couple of months back I got a Best Actor award, and he gave me that award. And that was a special feeling. I got a Best Actor award for Kathal.
Okay.
And he gave me that award, like he presented that award to me.
You even got a Best Actor award for Mrs. at IFFI and...
No, in New York Indian Film Festival.
Right. How did that go?
I wasn't there, but my producer Harman was there, and उससे पहले screening हुई थी film की.
हाँ.
So I got to know that people really liked it and standing ovation मिला. तो I was really happy और फिर मैं सो गई रात को, and then in the morning I saw Harman's message that you won the Best Actor award. I was kind of like, oh my god, like I couldn't believe it.
Wow.
But definitely a great feeling. And then he told me that Sanya, this was I think that was the first time he was watching the film with an audience. So he said that that was a very special experience and you have to watch it with the audience. And then after that I went to Melbourne.
Right.
And there I sat through the screening और जो reaction audience से मिला ना वो मतलब was so special. वो अलग ही मतलब मज़ा था to sit in that theater and watch it with the audience because women were, oh my god, मेरा तो दिल खुश हो गया. मतलब जो reaction मिल रहे थे with Richa, they were laughing, they were also getting angry at a few scenes, तो चिल्ला भी रहे थे.
Right.
And it felt so special. मतलब वो that's when I realized that oh, this is what my director and my producer wanted me to experience कि भाई audience के साथ बैठ के देखो ये movie.
अगर मैं आपको पूछूं आपका फेवरेट पार्ट आपके जॉब के लिए क्या होगा? इज इट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग और इज इट द वैलिडेशन आफ्टर दैट?
I think the process, both to some extent.
या दोनों के अलग अलग
हाँ अलग अलग है.
Fruits
It's not हाँ process तो बहुत important है क्योंकि वो कैरेक्टर को मतलब जिंदा करना from paper to you know in front of the camera, that is really important. And I feel like I do my best, like कुछ भी हो मैं I do पूरी मेहनत to get the character alive. और वो जो validation मुझे फिर audience से मिलती है ना तो बहुत खुशी होती है. मतलब so many women I met in these film festivals जो मिलके सिर्फ ये बोल रही हैं कि this is my story, like this is me, like they could see themselves in Richa.
Right.
और there were so many, like I met so many women in IFFI who were crying and they kept telling me कि ये मेरी कहानी है सान्या, this is me.
Right.
मतलब वो उससे better validation actor के लिए नहीं हो सकती when you know people can see themselves in the character that they're playing.
Right.
And I think that is the beauty of this film also, because as I said earlier that this is not about one woman. Like we have seen women around us dealing with the same struggles as Richa. तो वो चीज़ ना as I said, it makes the story so urgent.
Right.
And getting the validation from the people who have maybe been through all of this really means a lot.
मैं जब आपकी ऑफ स्क्रीन पर्सनैलिटी भी देखती हूँ बिसाइड्स योर फिल्म्स, आई फील आप ऐसे पोजीशन पे हो, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, जहाँ पे आई फील आप बहुत ही सिक्योर्ड स्पेस में लगते हो, वेर यू आर वेरी हैप्पी विद द वे थिंग्स आर गोइंग, द वे ऑफ लाइफ. अब एक पार्ट है जहाँ पे यू नो यू फील कि यार ये सब अचीव कर लिया है, maybe now I want to tilt towards my personal life, maybe I don't mind settling down. Has that thought come where you miss companionship or you miss just having a partner?
No, actually I'm quite happy. I'm quite satisfied overall. And because I think it is important to find a companion, but there are so many things to also. I'm just grateful, to be honest. So
nothing to complain.
Nothing to complain. Honestly, nothing to complain. So, and I am a believer कि जो भी चीज़ें होंगी ना वो सही टाइम पे होती हैं. तो पुश करके और किसी चीज़ के पीछे भागने से कुछ अजीब नहीं होने वाला. आप खुद ही परेशान हो गए. तो be grateful for whatever you have in life. And yeah, as I said earlier, that I really cherish all the relationships in my life. My family members, my friends, and you know all the platonic relationships that I have in my life have made me feel so fulfilled and so happy that I
Right.
honestly don't like miss anything, to be honest. It keeps me very grounded,
Yeah.
and at the same time I'm really enjoying my life right now. My career is going really well, and I know चीज़ें मतलब वो खुद ही आ जाएंगी. Like I only attract good things.
Positivity.
Yeah.
But I feel the way up your career has been and जिस तरह से आपकी life की है, destiny also had a huge part to play.
Yeah.
Where correct things happen at the correct time.
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
things happen at the right time.
Definitely.
Do you fully believe कि ऐसा बहुत हुआ है आपके साथ?
नहीं, और मेहनत भी पूरी करी है.
100%.
तो मैं सारी चीज़ें डेस्टिनी पे नहीं छोड़ूंगी क्योंकि मेहनत बहुत गई है इसमें.
हाँ.
और अभी तक चलती जा रही है. तो
हमने देखा है आपको दंगल के वक्त.
yeah, भाई. और not only दंगल,
Just
in any,
after
yeah,
that, yeah.
even after that, in
Yeah.
every film, or just not just for the films or the characters, to even, I think I feel very happy that so many like I've worked with some really good directors and filmmakers. To have मतलब जो उनको मुझ पे कॉन्फिडेंस है ना, that's something that I really feel grateful about. तो उसको भी मेंटेन करना is मेहनत.
Right.
मतलब I know if a director or a producer is thinking of me to be a part of their film, वो कहीं से आ रहा है, क्योंकि I know for a fact that I make sure that I'm doing I'm giving my 100 to 100% for a film.
Right.
And that मेहनत I'm talking about, वो कभी कम नहीं होगी और वो कभी कम नहीं हुई है. तो सब कुछ डेस्टिनी पे नहीं है. I really do work hard to be where I am.
And I'm sure no one's doubting that क्योंकि it comes across for sure. But to work with two major superstars also in your career span, I बहुत ही fan question मान लो, but आपको एक what difference do you see in an Amir Khan and a Shah Rukh Khan today as people?
Difference तो नहीं कहूँगी. They're both very passionate about
Right.
whatever they do. वो तो दिखता ही है. As a fan we all can see that the kind of hard work and the kind of mehnat that goes behind the films that they're doing is something else, unmatched and unparalleled. तो वो चीज़ I think is so inspiring that they will do anything to entertain the audience.
Yeah.
So that is very special to see.
But something in terms of Amir sir is a little more, like he rehearses, Shah Rukh sir is a little more spontaneous. Like something that, you observed that, ये अलग है, ये same है.
या मैं ऐसे बैठ के कंपेयर करती नहीं थी, to be honest. मैं इनके साथ काम कर रही हूँ तो मैं सेट पे लिस्ट बना लूँ, मैं ये करती नहीं थी बैठ के.
But something that you can think of.
Can't think of anything right now, but they're both amazing to work with. I think I have learned whatever I've learned about filmmaking is from Dangal and that process, because that has become my conditioning as an actor कि ये मेहनत करके तो जानी ही जानी है. And Jawan was a fun experience, also a very different kind of a film. So Jawan is a much more commercial zone, और उसकी acting भी अलग थी. तो पता नहीं, I had never thought कि मुझे I should sit and compare these two mega stars that we are all fans of.
But when you're with, say, Shah Rukh sir, just to witness the kind of stardom he has, how is that feeling to see it up close?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. And I always felt all of us, all the girls on set used to feel that way. Because he's just amazing to work with.
Yeah.
And there's something so like relaxed about him. I've done ads with him after Jawan, and he's very chill. I don't think so. He's really. I think he's a very chill personality, and that makes everyone around him feel that way. Like it's always like a very nice, smooth, chill experience to work with him.
Yeah. Did you meet him yesterday?
No, I couldn't. Yeah.
Because कल भी आए थे, आप भी आए थे. I'm sure I was like, did you all happen to? But he's always warm when you're like in touch with him and everything. I know you had said कि he always makes you feel very, very special.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, have you met him?
I haven't. Like I haven't spoken to him, but
I hope you do.
I hope too in this lifetime that मैं उनसे बात कर सकूँ. But it's funny because how can one man make every person feel special? Because जिनसे भी मैं बात करती हूँ वो यही कहते हैं. मैंने बोला कैसे? It's not possible, no, for a human to always be present, to always be charming to everyone. No, it's very hard to please and make everyone happy, but he has somehow managed to do that.
And I hope you meet him someday and interview him.
Yeah, I do hope that too. But I have to speak about Aankh. What a मतलब वायरल जा चुका है वो इंटरनेट पर. एंड मैंने सुनिधि मैम का इंटरव्यू लिया था आँख के लिए, एंड शी वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड. और तब मैंने बहुत रफ कट देखा था विदाउट आई सीन द रफ कट फॉर आँख, और मुझे तभी पसंद आ गया था. जब मैंने पूरा गाना देखा तब तो और भी ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया था. बट जस्ट टू सी हाउ मच you guys were on sync. लोग आपको बियॉन्से और शकीरा कह रहे हैं. What do you feel? And I even know this video जहाँ पे सुनिधि मैम लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दे रही थी, and you come as a surprise and you'll start doing this step.
Oh yeah, in Calcutta.
And just to see कि audience कितनी पागल हो रही थी उस चीज़ पर. I think you've also witnessed that for the first time.
Yes, that was an insane experience.
Tell me something about Aankh.
I always wanted to do a music video, but वो कहीं ना I was not really satisfied with the opportunities that I was getting.
Oh, you were getting a lot.
Of course. मतलब वो तो मेरा पूरा शो रील डांस का is on my Instagram. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पहले आए नहीं, बट कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार ये this is, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं, not this. I want something bigger and better and the best. So I was waiting for the bigger, better, best, and this came when I was shooting for Sunny Sanskari in Udaipur, and I missed that message on my groups with my managers. तो वो कहीं मिस हो गया, एंड मैंने देखा कि मुझे किसी म्यूज़िक वीडियो के लिए आया हुआ है, पर आई वॉज बिजी विद नाइट शूट, तो मैंने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया उस मैसेज पे. जैसे ही नाइट शूट ख़त्म हुआ, आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू द चैट एंड आई सॉ अ सॉन्ग सुनिधि चौहान रिटन ऑन इट, एंड आई डिडंट इवन डाउनलोड दैट लिंक.
Okay.
I didn't listen to the song. I called up my manager and told her that I have to be in it.
Yeah.
It's a Sunidhi Chauhan song.
Yeah.
We are not missing this opportunity.
Right. Without knowing कि क्या concept था.
नहीं.
कुछ नहीं.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I also got to know that Piyush and Shazia are directing and choreographing it. तो मैंने कहा बस इससे better opportunity 8 साल में मुझे नहीं मिली है, तो I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
Anyhow, because I'm a huge Sunidhi Chauhan fan, and I'm so glad that I did it, because even when we were shooting that song, we knew that we were making something special. मतलब वो शूट के बीच में I used to look at her and say कि भाई कुछ अलग हो रहा है ये.
Yeah. She did tell me this. She was like, Sania's so sweet and she's so nice, and she had done so much tareef of yours in the interview, and she really enjoyed working with you as well.
I loved working with her too.
Yeah.
And क्या perfect song है यार. मतलब only women in that song, and it oozes power and so many, like, I don't know, it just makes me feel really good, that choreography. It even now, like if I'm working out, I play that song to pump myself up, and to see so many people recreating the hook step.
Yeah.
Every day I get tagged on multiple stories, and people are tagging me on their post, and they're recreating the set, the costumes. insane to see how the song has.
Especially the neon dress, I think that really
Yeah,
sort
even
of
the
stood
green,
out.
like I
Yeah.
saw people who have recreated the entire look.
Wow.
From the set to the costume to the choreography was सब मतलब इतना production मतलब for reels. It's insane and feels really special. It has crossed some 50 million views now
Wow.
on YouTube and counting. So I feel very special.
But I remember जवान के वक्त जब हमने इंटरव्यू किया था, I remember telling you that there's a very hot side to Sania.
Yeah.
And we've seen you in such a goofy, bubbly, cute
Yeah.
way that I think Ark got that
Yeah.
X factor or
Yeah.
that hot side out of you. Dance movie soon probably.
Yeah, why not?
I'm sure
But
offers
I am
आएंगे.
dancing in films that I've done
Yeah, of course.
this year.
No, but like a dance based film.
Oh, like that, yeah. मुझे लिखनी पड़ेगी. मैं लिखूंगी वो.
नहीं, बट हमने सनी संस्कारी के भी रील्स देखे, आप जो मस्ती कर रहे हो. व्हाट अ फन कास्ट. मतलब वो नैन मटक्का देखी, आई वाज लाइक आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दिस फिल्म बिकॉज यू, रोहित, वरुण, जानवी, व्हाट्स द वाइब लाइक ऑन सेट?
It is the best vibe ever.
Yeah,
I am
Varun
going to
is so
start
fun.
shooting again.
yeah,
Everyone, even Janvi, Rohit, Manish, everyone on set is. It was the best experience, to be honest. We shot in Udaipur.
yeah.
और इतना मतलब बॉन्ड किया हम लोगों ने.
किस चीज पर बॉन्ड हो रहे हो आप?
वर्कआउट्स.
वर्कआउट सब.
शूट खत्म होती है, शूट से पहले
सब
पूरी की
workout
पूरी
करते
टीम
हैं.
सारी जिम में पाए जाते थे. पूरी टीम.
Are there any games being played or any WhatsApp conversations?
I think we'll soon start talking about it. तो
Yeah.
मतलब I'll be back here again with
Yes.
hopefully with everyone.
Yeah.
So I'll have more stories to share, but I had such a great time shooting with them.
I can't wait for that film.
Me
It
too.
just
I
looks
can't.
so much.
I cannot.
So
I
much.
have never looked the way I've looked in this film.
Ah.
Never. And it's a very different role for me. Like I don't think so. People have seen me in this, like Avatar.
What is the name of the film? Sunny?
संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी.
सनी संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी. तो नाम ही इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है.
वो तो है. शशांक खेतान.
शशांक खेतान. But very, very intrigued to see how this goes.
Yeah.
Lastly, I want to say, where do you see your life sort of going on from now?
Oui. This year I have 4 releases.
Ooh.
And
There's Toaster.
There's Toaster, there's Mrs., there's Sani Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari, there's this another film that I did with Anurag Kashyap,
Yes.
Bobby Deol. तो वो भी रिलीज होगी इस साल. तो I'm just looking forward to the releases.
मुझे पर्सनली आपकी केमिस्ट्री अगर एक फिल्म में एक एक्टर के साथ अच्छी लगी हो तो आप गेस करो कौन सी होगी. जस्ट गेस.
Love Hostel.
I think with Aditya Roy Kapoor and Ludo.
Oh.
I think you all have amazing chemistry and
Yeah.
it's very underrated. I feel like people should like sort of get you and Aditya Roy Kapoor's.
Oh, I thought I said
more.
Bobby Deol. तो
No.
तुम Love Hostel बोलने वाली. मैंने
No,
wild
but
guess किया.
मुझे लूडो इतनी पसंद आई थी, स्पेशली आपकी
Yeah.
स्टोरी, एंड इट वाज सो गुड. And Adi is such a like heartthrob for girls, and just to see like the both of you all very chill energy, and at the same time he was also like
Very
in
chill.
love
Both of us
with
are
you.
very
Both
chill.
of you all are very chill. What is that like when two co-actors who are very like
It was like that only
Let's
on
go
set.
ahead.
Exactly like that. A very chill vibe on set. And हम तो सिर्फ अनुराग सर को सुनते थे कि वो क्या चाहते हैं हम करें. सर ये ठीक है, सर
Yeah.
हम ठीक कर रहे हैं. मैं ज़्यादा पूछती थी. अनुराग सर तो मुझे भटकती हुई आत्मा बोलते थे क्योंकि मैं उन्हें बहुत परेशान करती थी
क्यों?
कि सर ये ठीक है, ये मैं कर लूँ, ये ठीक करा मैंने, ये मेरा सीन ठीक हो गया, मैं ये सोच रही हूँ.
हाँ,
मुझे पूरा
overthinking.
टाइम ये बोलते रहते थे कि प्लीज़ ज़्यादा मत सोच,
हाँ.
प्लीज़ ज़्यादा मत सोच.
But then it went. What did you and Adi bond on?
Just being the way we are. I think we both are very similar that way. We are very chill.
Yeah.
और क्योंकि सारे सीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर इम्प्रॉम्प्टू, तो मतलब बड़ा वो टू क्रिएट दो सीन्स टुगेदर ना, इट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी फन.
No, but that was one interesting pair जो शायद I had not thought of.
Yeah.
But it was so good to
Yeah.
see the two of you all together on screen. Hopefully more. Is there someone you would want to work with? that you're really looking forward to or manifesting?
Yeah, if I'm doing a dance film, I would like to work with Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan. Of course, why not?
Yeah.
Non-dance film also, I don't mind working with Hrithik
Hrithik
Roshan. No, but thank you so much.
Yeah.
Wishing you all the very best
Thank
for
you.
Mrs. and everything else that's coming in the future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Anna.
much. This is lovely talking to you, and hope
Same
by the
here.
time I speak to you the next time, you're working with the third Khan as well.
Yeah, zarur.
Because that's happening every time. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Sanya Malhotra. Like, share and subscribe to Instant Bollywood.